Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too.
Hi, welcome to Max Your Journey. My name's Alvin.
My name's Dana.
Thank you guys for joining us. Please hit the subscribe button to join the tribe and follow along for our camping adventures, journeys, and tips. All right, welcome to Max Your Journey. We have another camper review for you today. Me and D are in the market for a new camper. So I'm checking out different ones, but I'm also giving you a review. This is a 2021 Forest River 32Ret. I believe that's the model. If not, I'll get the correct one for you. Let's check this bad boy out. Like, it does not fit our requirements because of the kids. It would work, but it is just so beautiful. You gotta see it to believe it. Man, the details are immaculate on this model. Check it out. All right, as you can see, we have the FOREST RIVER WILDWOOD. It is beautiful. It has the propane tanks up front, a battery kill switch, and also it has the solar panel already hook up, already ready to go, is what I'm trying to say. One pass through that I noticed, it's locked, but it's not bad. It'll work. Big awning, but you also get a second awning down here, so that definitely will work as well. Solid steps, but I want to get you inside here so you can check it out. So coming in, first thing I noticed was these gorgeous floors. Then you work your way to the island. We've been looking for an island, and that is big and beautiful, man. But check out this. I haven't seen this color scheme right here. This is very nice quality. When I tell you, like, this is nice, I can't even, like, the attention to detail down here is beautiful throughout this thing. Floors to the texture to, let me see, I don't want to lie to you, so the comfort level is perfect, man. I mean, for a travel trailer, top notch. This threefold here is a bed. But do not be fooled. This comes off, and this is all one big sectional. So it goes from here. As you can see, these will come off, and this can be one big sectional from there all the way across. So plenty of room in here to relax, and then plenty of storage. So don't be fooled. You got containers that come in here. Big windows. Which leads me to these two his and her recliner chairs, which you know I'm going to sit in it and give you an honest opinion. Tight on the hips, but very comfortable. You sink right in there, and you also have these big windows, which if you park this right up to the lake, the beach, whatever your view is for that trip, you're going to get the full effect right here in this room. Beautiful. I like this little nightstand too. And then a fireplace. If you're sitting in the mountains looking at that view and you got your fireplace going, little flat screen playing there, man. Again, this island, the textures, the colors, it all goes together. I really, really like it. I like how it's well done. Pantry, storage everywhere. You can see the details and the light fixtures. The fridge isn't as big, but I guess since you don't have the extra guest room in this model, you don't really need too much. But this is a big fridge. Do not be confused. And it also comes with the little lock here to keep everything inside while you travel down the road. Again, these are the standard stoves they're going with now. LEDs built in. Very nice. Even fitting a little window in there. Very nice on their end. And even this detail in here in this little glass. I feel like this one will age well. It won't be outdated as far as the look. You also get plenty of storage down here that they squeezed in there. And it's nice. So I'm going to step back so you can see the whole thing one more time right here before we make our way into the bathroom and the master bedroom. You can see it's pre-wired with the King Connect Wi-Fi setup. Got your Air XL. I really like that air system. This is the bathroom. A little tight, but I have been in tighter. Now you got this. This is on a pressure or tension right here, so it's going to close when traveling. So you have that. You have a skylight up top, but even the details inside the wall that they did here, that's a very nice touch. Tight in here, like I said, but look at the finish around here. It looks good. And gives you a feel that it's bigger than what it is. And then you got plenty of storage. And again, they carry that in here just to give it a little touch to make it look better, you know, for a trailer. Storage below also, sorry. So from there, make our way into the master. And this is what's going to sell this thing. I mean, as I'm just walking in, you see, boom. You got the barnyard style doors that's going to catch your eye. All the space here in front that you can just move around in here. His and hers, this works. Retirement, kids are grown, out of the way, plenty of room. Big windows on each side, nice fixtures. You can move easily around the side of this bed. Got your little nightstand here, little storage underneath. Now I will say, this bed is solid like a rock. So you're going to upgrade that. I don't know what model or brand that is, but yeah, you want a topper on top of that. That is not a good quality bed there. But it's nice. Washer and dryer hookup. As you can see, everything's already pre-wired, pre-ready to go, which is very nice. And plenty of room to fit it in there. So if you're ready to hit the road for them winters, them summers, you're good to go. And look at this. I'm not saying we would, but I done seen where some people done turn these into a little crib area for a baby. Throw a bed down in here. And I mean, it's right next to the bed. So that definitely will work if you have a younger one. So, hey, diapers, wipes, whatever it may be. Or your closet. Plenty of room and beautiful. Look at this. Look at that. That in your bedroom with a little skylight. So again, that is the 2021 Forest River 32Ret with all of its beautiful features. I just want to say thank you for subscribing to Max Your Journey, your favorite camping YouTube video. For tips, tricks, everything, reviews, we thank you so much. Please check out our other videos and hit that subscribe button and hit that thumbs up if you like this video. And let us know your best thing from this trailer. Was it the chairs? Was it the texture? Was it the floor? I love the floor and I love these chairs. Let me know in the comments below. Check out the other videos and remember, Max Your Journey. Thank you.